announcement to make today. I was anxiously waiting for this day for so long so that I can use the stage to let all of you know about the findings of my many years of extensive research. Madam Contest Chair, friends, uncles and aunties, and those of you who dread being called uncles and aunties. Pallav uncle, are you there? I am proud to announce my findings that my brother Saksham, yes, the dude sitting right over there, has got the best sister in this whole world. While I don't want to spoil his moment of joy on his day of glory, but the fact is that that bloke is extremely lucky. Because he just got the best. He wasn't lucky enough to be offered any choices. We really don't get to choose our own siblings, isn't it? We don't, and it's very irritating. Because having a sibling like Saksham, don't ask me. And this parental anarchy continues till we are 10 years or so. Till then, there isn't much we can do or say when it comes to choosing something over the other. Our parents do that for us. Yes, our parents. But now, as I have grown older and wiser, even though Daddy doesn't agree to the latter, I have come to know about this very important virtue of being a human being. The right to choose. So now, when I wake up in the morning and prepare myself for the day ahead, I am spoiled by choices for some of the most important decisions of my life. Whether to take bath or not. To have milk with or without Bournvita. To doze off in the history period or the Hindi, or probably both. To sling my bag on the left shoulder or the right. To gossip about the science teacher or the maths. And many such life-defining issues. On the other hand, coming to classes 9 and 10, I've seen my elders mulling endlessly and even losing their sleep over some highly insignificant issues. Which subjects I should take in class 11? Bio with maths or bio without? How does it even matter? Is it something to do with adding up your vertebrates? Chemistry or commerce? Economics or English? History or Hindi? Physics or physiology? Who cares? I mean, when I haven't even decided what to wear on Anna's Christmas party, which is later this month, how am I supposed to waste my precious time on deciding what to do 2 years later? I really feel that the children of our age group are spoiled by choices galore. Our parents were lucky when the only 2 choices they had were to become a doctor or an engineer. And if someone was my brother's type, he would end up becoming a lawyer. The talkative ones. Back then, roadside gossip between 2 ladies would sound like, "What? Mrs. Sharma's son Puneet has taken commerce? She used to say he was very intelligent." Still better, G. Mrs. Bhatia's daughter Sunita has taken arts. Now how will she get a good match in the government sector? But now, we children can grow up to become anything. Apart from being parents, of course. We can become wine tasters, pet groomers, scuba divers, image consultants, auctioneers, DJs, food explorers. The list is endless. Now I'm going to ask my mom. So Mom, do you still think I won't be able to become any of these? Yes She still thinks I won't be able to become any of these. You're not serious, Mom. And if I can virtually be assured of doing anything worthwhile, then why shouldn't I focus on the larger issues of life? By the way, how do you like my new dress? I bought it specially for the contest today. After looking for it for 7 days in 5 different malls. And Daddy, instead of helping me in this huge crisis, was after my life to do insignificant things like study for the maths test, do your assignments, go for yoga classes, prepare a speech for this contest. I haven't even decided what to wear. Friends, listen to me very carefully. I have an invaluable piece of advice for you. This breed called parents is a perpetually worried lot. They were worried even before we were born. Is it a boy? Is it a girl? So use your wisdom and spoil yourself with all the choices you have in this beautiful world. And now, time for another important announcement. Another one of my findings of many years of extensive research and training. That Saksham is not only the lucky soul here. I too have the best brother in the world, Madam Contestant.